Okay, everyone say hi.
Hi.
Excellent. Shh, you guys, okay, stop being extra. All right, so I'm going to be making just one. No, we'll make two separate pieces this time around. So we're going to be going over some different sketches, some different solid things that we can do, and then we'll be going over some assembly constraints with those pieces. So there's a lot of things in this little top bar you probably haven't used yet. So let's just start with some sketches. So let's start a 2D sketch. We're going to go here. I'm not going to go slow enough so you guys can keep up, but notice there's a lot of different things we can go here, do here. So we have like a polygon, for example, right? What is a three-sided polygon also known as? It's a triangle, right? So right, I can make a really easy triangle. What's another way we can make a triangle? Just 3 lines. Easy. Great. Not only that, I could do something that's even bigger. So I can do like, I don't know, 10. There we go. And then I can even do like 100. And look, what is that? What shape is this?
A circle.
It looks like a circle, but it actually has 100 sides. Right? And there's different types of polygons you can do. So let's say we do 8. So before, my little marker on my mouse, that was connected to a corner, but now it's connected to the center of one of the flat sides. See, corner, flat side. So there are always different options that you can use. So you should always definitely experiment with them. So this one's kind of, we'll use this one. So this is an 8-sided object. We will put it right there. Let's press done. And I'll just do finish. I'm just going to extrude this for now. Too big. Symmetrical. Let's do like 0.25. Great. There we go. Easy. So now, another thing that we are going to do is we are going to look at how to make a sphere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a 2D sketch on the surface. And I want you to think about this for a second, right? To make a sphere, which one of these do you think would be helpful?
Circle.
Circle. What else could also be helpful?
Arc.
Arc. Great. So the way that we make spheres in 3D design is we actually take a circle, or you could take an arc. Depends on how you want to make your circular object. So let's use 0.2. Is that good enough? Great. But not only that, I'm also going to take a line, and this line is actually going to be the line that I rotate my circle around. So if you can imagine this, right? I have a circle, and if I, instead of extruding it, pulling it into the 3rd dimension, I'm going to rotate it into the 3rd dimension. So let's do this, finish. So what I can do is I can do 3D model, I can do revolve, and what revolve allows me to do is I can choose a profile and choose an axis that I want to revolve around. So if I choose a profile, I'll do this one. If I choose an axis, choose that. And then now I have a sphere. But obviously half the sphere is inside of this guy right here. So there you go. Right, so that's a sphere. There are some other cool things that we can also do as well, like loft and sweep. Loft and sweep, they take a little bit too long, so maybe we'll skip those for now. But let's also look at something else we can do. So let's say I want to add a picture. So I can go to image. And let's go to, where did I put it? Is it downloads? I think it's in downloads. Let's do here. This one's a good one. There we go. Oh, but you know what? It's a little bit too far up. I want to do something specific with this. So let me go back. There's something that you can do, and it's called using a plane. So every single time you do a 2D sketch, right, Kenny? You always have to select a flat surface. You can't select a round surface. It's always a flat surface. So what you can do is you can actually make flat surfaces in different places. So what I can do is if I go to this plane and I do offset from plane, I can click on this one, and then I can actually move a plane upwards. So now, right, I'm going to instead be drawing on this right here. So I press OK, and now I start 2D sketch. So instead of drawing here, I'm going to draw up here, and I'm going to insert that picture again. Image, De La Salle, bam, and okay, great. And we're going to finish the sketch. So now what I can do is I can make this a decal. And what a decal basically is it's like a sticker, right? So I have this image. Let's go to top. Let's rotate this a little bit. And right now you can see it's hovering above this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press decal. It's my image. And look on this side right here. Whenever you have a red mouse pointer, That's something that you have to do to make it work. So it means, okay, this is telling you click on your image. This is saying click on your face, the face that you want to decal it to. I'm going to press it, and then check it out. Oh, it didn't. I thought it was going to wrap around. Oh, you know what I can do? Let's go back. I can also do something like this. Decal, image, and I can also, as the face, I can select the round part instead. So instead, we're probably going to get something like just his nose or something. I think this is much better, right? If we look at it from the side. Right. So whoa, it looks Asian. Why are you trying to say that, Kenny? Whoa. I am offended. Okay, anyways. So another thing I want to point out. So sometimes you don't want to like look at things, right? So let's say this work plane. I don't want to see this here because actually when you put it into your assembly, it will still be there. So you can right click on it and you can view visibility and it disappears. It's still there, right? It's still in your browser, but you know, now you can see things a little bit better. Not only that, but maybe I want to see exactly how far this stretched. Let's go, can I make this invisible? I might not be able to make this one invisible because it's like the parts are connected. Yeah, I guess not, but this is good. I like this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm also going to make a cut into this that we're going to use in a second. So let's make a circle here. I'm just doing a random circle. Let's make it 0.1 because it's easy to remember. Finish sketch. And then I'm going to start. Oh, wait, no, I don't want to do that. I want to do extrude. And I'm going to cut. And then just make sure it's all the way through. Great. So this is my first piece. This is the Mr. Kunet keychain. So we're going to save this. Let's save as. A good thing to do is make sure you know where you're saving. So Kunet face Asian, according to Kenny. And then I'm going to make another piece, and the other piece I'm going to make is, it's going to be really quick. It's just going to be a cylinder. So let's go to new, let's go to standard IPT. And we'll make this, make a circle. What was the diameter again? 0.1. But we can check. Let's go back, right? If you want to check this, just open up the extrusion that you made. See, it's 0.1. Right, you can zoom in. So I went to my extrusion. I opened up that little folder. Clicked on this. And if I want to make it bigger, I just double click on it. And maybe I want to make it 0.15.
Where'd it go?
Well, oh, it moved. So I'm just going to move it back to. There you go. Finish. And there we go. It auto adjusted itself. That won't always work, but sometimes it does. So we go back here. So now I need to change this one, 0.15. And we're going to extrude it. Extrude 1 inch. Sure.
It's gonna be longer, yeah.
Yeah, it's fine. And then I'm going to do two other things just for fun. So other things that you can do is you can actually cut stuff away from this. So I can fillet the top. And fillet is basically, or fillet, is a way to just smooth edges, right? So if I click at this edge, right, it'll smooth a little bit. Sometimes if you don't, oh, there we go, right? So I can press OK. Sometimes it doesn't work the way that you expect it to work, so you just have to be careful. Look at this range. So 0.625. I can probably do things that are close to this range. Right, 0.5, 0.2, right, 0.5. But if you look at anything round on like your computer or on any piece of like technology that you have, they used fillet for that. Right, so let's press apply. And there we go. So we have that one. Another one that we can do is called chamfer. Yeah, chamfer. So if I do this and click on this edge, let's see. And now it almost looks like a pencil.
Can we make it a pencil?
Well, you'll see what you have to do. And then the other thing that you can do is shell. So what shell basically does is it just like cuts into it. See if it lets me. So it looks like I'm cutting a lot there. Let's not do that one. But there's just stuff you can do and use. So now we have this like kind of crayon looking thing, and we're just gonna save this. Before we do it, let's change what it looks like. I'm actually just gonna do a color this time. What color should it be? Driftwood. This is dirt. So the reason why it doesn't look that great is because it's so small, right? So the driftwood like image that they have, that they put onto these, it's actually like a lot bigger because wood usually comes in a lot bigger shapes and sizes. This is probably like, what is it, 1 inch? So it's this big. Right. So if we made this bigger, the driftwood would actually look a lot better. So let's save this file. Save. Call this tiny. Let's call it Kenny. Next, well, if I ever make like a tater tot, I will. All right, so let's go file. Now, here's the new stuff. We're gonna do an assembly. Okay. So we go to new, and right now I'm still in English units. You should be in English units for this entire assignment. So I'm not doing a weldment or a mold design. I'm just doing a standard inch.ial. Do that, and we're gonna be done in like 1 or 2 minutes. We can place. So there's a difference here. Many of you are gonna click on this arrow because I don't know why. I tell you never to click on the arrow, but there are different options. You just want to do normal place, not place from Content Center, not place from imported CAD files, just place. And you're gonna have to look for your stuff. So my stuff was in here. So I have Kenny, and then what else was the other part? The Kunat Asian face. So another fun fact: you can place them both at the same time. So I can actually hold Control, press on this, and now they're both highlighted. And if I press OK, they're both out at the same time. I place it. So anyways, we're almost done here. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to mate this. So let's do place. Oh, not place. Sorry. Constrain. Where is my constrain button?
It's right there.
Oh, it's right here. Yeah. Well, before I do that, what I want to do is I want to ground one of these. So let's ground this one. You'll see. So now I can't move it, but I can still move this one. Great. So let's go to constrain. And this is what I talked about. You're going to use mate for both, right? So if we look at it, I'm selected onto mate. The solution I'll be using is mate. So what I want to do is I want to make sure this dotted line appears, right? Technically, I can make the top of this, but I want to make sure that dotted line appears. I'm going to make that with this. When I press apply, right, it looks like it's in a weird spot, but look, it can still slide, right? Not only can it still slide, and see, it looks like it's not on it anymore, but it actually is. Right? It's just far away. So it can still slide off, but it'll always be on that plane. So the other thing, let's say I want to make it so that this thing can only rotate around this and not slide off this. Okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to constrain it with this top face, and then I'm going to constrain it at this top face too, because this one's also flat. So notice I'm not doing the dotted line one, I'm doing the flat face. So when I do that, oh, that's the wrong one, right? But that makes sense that it did it like that, right? Because it made it this one to that one, so it flipped over. So that's not what I want, so let's press cancel. What I should have done is actually, I should have done flush. So constrain, and if I do flush instead, here, let's press apply for now. And so now, it just rotates around. But then finally, I don't want it to be at the top. That looks weird. I want it to be offset a little bit. So what I can do is let's remove my flush. Okay, so constrain. So now my flush is gone. I just did Control Z. So let's do here. But then let's do an offset. Let's say 0.5. Apply. So now, if I look at it, it's about halfway. It rotates and it stays in that spot. Not only that, but if you want to change the offset, you can go right here. So let's change it to I don't know, 3. Now let's see how something between 0.3, 0.4, 0.28. Oh no, I want to do 0.4. There we go. So now I have this thing. Okay, and that's it. Assembly files can be placed into drawings as well. So if I go to file, it's gonna look really weird. I'm excited to see how Kunat's face looks like in a drawing file. Just curious. So for this one, let me save it. Assembly one's fine. Yes to all. If it ever asks you this, just say yes to all and press OK. So now, let's start in here. So if you forgot, right, we want to delete the ANSI block. We want to right-click, change the sheet to A4. And then we go to base, and we go to our guy here. But I want that good view. Let's do 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And we want to rotate this just a little bit too. Not that much. Let's see if we can. This is okay. We'll do. Oh, wow, this is gonna be big. Okay. Excellent. Excellent. And we definitely want to get the shaded view. Okay. That's okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's see what some of the. You just have to select this.
Really?
Yeah.
My color always comes out weird.
I think it's unshaded. There you go.
Yeah, that's unshaded.
So if you shade it. There you go. So that is the end of the tutorial. Before we finish, does anyone have any major questions about designing or about this stuff?
No.
Okay, great. Everyone say bye.
Bye.